Okay, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that in your email signatures that you're sending out to people, you've got this great little banner here that advertises to add your digital business card to the phone. So when they're inside the email from a phone, they click on that and it's going to open it up to your killer, uh, awesome, easy biz card. So as you can see, it's pretty sharp looking. It is basically a web page that promotes you. It works a little bit like an app, and it promotes you as a rep for the company, for the brand. You can see it's got my picture, my name, my title. Yeah, let's say, for example, they want to call me from there. They just click on the call me button. It's going to open right up. They want to text me. It's going to open right up in the text. They want to email me. It's going to open right up in the email. They want to visit the company's website, it's going to open the company's website right up on those four links there. Let's say they want to add me to their contacts. They click that button, and what's going to happen is it's going to download. Oops, and that's because I have a dead link there. I'll show you that on another one. Um, and then, you can see it's got the About Me. I work with our marketing team, and then it's got some company information where they can read up on the company a little bit. Shows certifications and accreditations. These 5 reviews right here are going to be the 5 most recent 5-star reviews. So these do change. Now, none of these have avatars, but in the little space in the top left, if the person giving the review has uploaded their avatar, their face and their image will show up there. So when we get future reviews from people who have avatars, those will actually show up on the website as well. And you can see, like, if you're talking to somebody in person, you can have them scan your QR code and it's going to open them up right up to this page. And then they can also click on this link here where it says save my card, and it gives them instructions on how to save the card depending if they're on an Android or an Apple phone. Oops, I hit the back button. So if we go back there, we can see that the instructions say to click on the 3 little dots, and then you can click install app. It's going to say, hey, do you want to install me? Yes. So it's installing. It takes a few seconds here. In a few seconds, it's going to tell me that it's been installed. I've got the theme to Jeopardy going off in my head. So now if we go to my phone and we go here, you can see it's installed me. Look, there's my face. There's my name. So now if they ever want to get in touch with me, or if they want to share my information with somebody, they can click on me. And that brings me to the next level of this thing right here. Watch this. See where it says share my card? Let's say they want to promote you publicly on Twitter. If they click on Twitter, it automatically populates a tweet with your name, your information, and how to get to you. If they want to share you on Facebook, it pops up on Facebook. They can just start a post, and there you go. They can write a post to share you, and then it's going to link. Let's go back there. It's going to link. Now, if let's say they want to send a WhatsApp, they click on WhatsApp and they want to send a personal message to somebody through WhatsApp. They choose the person, and boom, look at that. Now they can type the rest of the message and they can share information about you through WhatsApp without having to type everything out. Let's say they want to share your information by text message. They click on text. They decide who they want to send the text to. But for example, you can see it's already got your name, your title, and the link to your digital business card pre-populated for them, so they don't have to sit there and type all that out. Let me discard that draft. Okay. All right. I'm having issues there. And then let's say they want to send you via Messenger. You can see it pop. So however they communicate with their friends and family, when they want to refer you to people, they can refer you by posting to their Twitter, doing a Twitter post, a Facebook post. They can email, WhatsApp, text message, or Facebook message you, and it's all just easy at a touch for them. Again, they can share your phone your information using a QR code. If they're in person with somebody, they can scan that QR code. It's so easy and it's so awesome. And let me also show you this. The first time that you log in to a one, so I've got Carrie right here, and you'll see the first time that I log into Carrie, it even gives a little pop-up that automatically says, hey, would you like to install me? So if I click install, you can see now it's going to install Carry. And again, give it a second and we'll get our pop-up. And that pop-up will show, um, there we go. So now we go and we check our home screen. Boom, look at that. There's Carry. And now I can access Carry with the touch of a button, so I can contact her or share her information with people, just like an app on my phone. So there's a Jason app, there's a Carry app. All right, so let me show you that the V card does work. I just didn't have one uploaded on my own profile, but here's Rick's profile. Click Add Me to Contacts, and boom, you can see we can now download the VCF card that they can then use to auto-populate his information into the contacts. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you something really cool here. So a great idea here, or for example, let's say, um, let's go ahead and install him. Let's install Rick, give him a second to install. So now let's say that you want to refer somebody to Rick, a customer to Rick, or send them to Rick for whatever the issue may be, or somebody else within the company, because all the primary players in the company are going to have these. Here's a really cool idea. So you can see there's Jason, Carrie, and Rick, right? Now if I put my finger on Jason to select me, and I go and I hover over Carrie, it actually creates a folder. So I'm going to name this folder, HO first. This is my HO first folder. So I got Jason and Carrie in there, right? Now I can drag Rick inside that folder. So now I've got this folder right here on my phone, right? And so now I need to fix some of this stuff making me look bad. But for now, so let's say I can drag this folder, put it wherever I want to on my phone. So now I'm in my phone. I say, all right, let me give you Rick's information. All I got to do is go here, click on Rick's card. When Rick's card opens up, say, all right, how do you want me to text it to you? Do you want me to send it to your Facebook Messenger? Want me to WhatsApp it to you? Or do you want to just scan the QR code to get Rick's information? But this way you can now share Rick with people without having to have them type, you having to type anything, them having to type anything. And the cool part is this is a much more professional way to market yourself, market Rick, and market other people within the company, and give them all this contact information on this nice little digital business card. So I hope you see how this can help you promote yourself, promote the company, and also simplify your own way of giving your information out to people and giving other people who are using this digital business card, referring them out to other people. Thanks.